Unmasking the Phrase Play-Act. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, play-act. If you've ever heard this term and wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning together. Play-act is a verb, and it has two main meanings. 1. To act in a play or performance. For example, actors on a stage play act roles like the king, the hero, or the villain. 2. To pretend or feign. This means to act in a way that is not genuine, often to deceive someone or to show an emotion or quality that one does not really feel or possess. Imagine a child pretending to be a doctor with their toys. They are play acting. Or if someone acts sad just to get sympathy but isn't really upset, they are also play acting. Understanding a word is often easier with examples. Let's see play act in action. 1. The children love to play act scenes from their favorite movies. 2. I can tell you're just play acting your sorrow. You don't seem genuinely upset. 3. In the game, players can play act as warriors, mages, or archers. 4. She's not truly afraid. She's just play acting to get attention. Knowing synonyms, words with similar meanings, can be helpful in understanding and using the term more flexibly. Some synonyms for play act include pretend, simulate, feign, act out. While play act is not the most common phrase, it can be useful in specific contexts. Here are some things to remember. 1. When referring to theater or role-playing, play act emphasizes the acting aspect. 2. If talking about deception or faking, play act stresses the non-genuine nature of the behavior. 3. Play act can be used both in literal, acting in a play, and figurative, pretending, senses. Play act is a versatile phrase that can add depth to your English vocabulary. Whether you're discussing a theater performance or highlighting insincere behavior, this term can come in handy. We hope this video sheds light on play act and helps you use it confidently in conversations. Happy learning!